Rebar inside steel tubing for additional security against cutting. I am replacing my existing home window and door security grills with thicker gauge RHS rectangular hollow section steel tubing, and I was wondering if rebar inside of RHS would add any meaningful reinforcement from cutting with a hacksaw? My thinking is that, while rebar is pretty easy to cut with a hacksaw, hanging loosely inside RHS, it would just spin around and not be easy to cut. Home invasions are a common issue where I live, with 3-4 armed burglars forcing their way into homes without occupants being aware. They predominantly use basic hand tools, hacksaw, crowbars to cut an opening where they can gain access. I am doing a general security update, so I'll be implementing other strategies as well as putting in heavier-duty security grills. The walls are all concrete, so the weight of the structure isn't so big of a deal. Question from user Leroy Green at Stack Exchange. Answer: yes, it is a common strategy used in the manufacturing of security windows. Nothing will stop a determined burglar, but everything you do to slow them will be helpful. Keep in mind that hacksaws are a thing of the past. Today it's more likely they'll use a battery angle grinder, and less noise is a concern. Answer from user Cheery at Stack Exchange.